So this was a gift from my parents. So this is STEM box 3-in-1 combo, and here they gave this the steps, some contest they have. So I don't know what's this name, you can find it out, and this is made in India. So I think you'll be able to see here, made in India. So let's start unboxing it. Okay, so they gave it like this. So here we have all the 3 things. So this is mini brush robot DIY robotics kit. So it's looking very nice, and in my upcoming videos I'll make some and I'll show it to you. So you can also make this. So this is Scribbler robot. Next one is motor robot. So this is DIY electronics kit, and this is DIY robotics kits. So these both are robotics, and this is electronics. So let's open it. So here we have our first one. So it's looking very pretty and nice. So this is the boat model. They gave base foam, tape, motor holder, tape pieces, flag, sticker. So this is looking very nice. This is the robot manual, I think. Yeah, this is the manual. So if you want video instructions, you can take this code and type it somewhere. These are the batteries. They gave even batteries. So these are the 2 batteries. And here we have the components. So let's open this also. Okay, so we got a battery holder. Oh, we got a battery holder, and I think this is a switch or something. I don't know what it is. I think switch. Yeah, it is switch. This is battery holder, and here we have something. I don't know what it is. After that we got motor, which is packed, so it's very tight. And here we have the wing for the boat. So these are the things which we get in motor boat DIY electronics kit. So now let's go into robotic kit. So we are going to open this. So let's open it. So here we have, we'll open this out afterwards, and the instruction manual, some mopping brush. So it's looking really nice. Like they gave this is very soft to touch. I think here we have to keep all the things. Next we have some components. I'll open those and show you also. And again 2 batteries. I'm not able to believe this, guys. So they give a lot of batteries. So this is MS. I don't know what is MS. Motor and battery. I don't know what it is. Now we'll open this and see. So let's open these both first. So here we got some incredible things. Inside that we have one more battery holder, we have a switch, and we have a motor. So now I understood why they are giving like these compartments. So this is some sort of wire, I think. So now let's see this. Okay, these are artwork, so I don't want to open them. I'll open them very slowly. Okay, these are some color. They're very soft and thick. I don't know what they are. These are eyes. So we have some extra components here. So we have some straws and some DIY material. I don't know what it is, but it's very stretchy and all. So let's keep it aside. And now let's open the incredible Scribbler robot. So let's open it. So I'll open this afterwards. So this is very big manual. We got a very big manual here. Again batteries. I'll open this afterwards. And this. So let's open them all. So these are the things which we got. So we got 2 markers here, some bold markers, okay. So this is the circuit. It's very nice looking. Okay, now I understood why they gave these also, to tighten them up. And some other cardboard. And here we got some extras. So these are extras if we want to do anything, if we broke anything, then we can use these. We got a wire also here extra, and here we got one motor, wires and the battery. So these are all the components which we got in this. So this is very nice. So we'll make these all things afterwards in my videos. So thanks for watching my video. Like, share and subscribe my channel.